Ngayon, kung lahat pala tayo honest, o marami pala tayo sa atin ay honest, why is the Philippines open, or if not all the time, why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Yan, sagutin niyo ako niyan. Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin, at malinis pala sa buong bansa, eh bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the most corrupt countries in the world? Pagtitingnan tayo, sino kaya dito? That is the problem with this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. That's why it is difficult to win in any international election, in any international campaign, because the Philippines, among others, has a reputation of being a corrupt country. Isip ng iba, kung corrupt ang kaya na yan, walang matinong lalabas dyan. Walang matinong ibubuga yan. Bawat sabay sa inyo, walang sala, tungkol sa tal-e.